In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your alarm not working after the iOS 26 update. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this can be very annoying when you've just updated your phone and you don't want to miss alarms because then you could miss school or work, anything like that. So the first thing you want to do is go to your clock and you're going to see the different alarms here. So if I wanted to, check, I can go to and just check the settings, make sure everything is how I want it. For example, I want to see if the sound is on or on basically what I want, anything like that, and also check the snooze duration. The next thing that you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application. It's going to look like this. And I want to scroll down until I find sounds and haptics. And basically where it says ringtone and alerts, alarm is an alert as well. What I want to go ahead and do is make sure that the volume isn't really low. I want to make sure that it's actually kind of high. And then, that's obviously going to help as well. And then what you can also do is check if you're connected to any Bluetooth devices, because you might be connected to an external speaker or AirPods, a headset, anything like that, which is why you're not hearing your alarm, because, you're missing it because you can't actually hear it because it's connected to a Bluetooth device. The next thing you want to do is also make sure you're not on any mode like do not disturb or sleep or anything like that, because you might have your alarm disabled through that. And the final thing is it might just be a glitch. So what you can do is just try and restart your phone by holding down the volume up button and the power button together. Once you do that, you just slide the power to off. And then once you do that again, you're just going to have to restart your phone and then you'll be good to go.